Hi, my friends. It's always fun to explore software. I'm going to be working with my collage video editor here. So let's just grab it here in the plugins and collage video editor, or designer is what they call it. And I need to bring out the media. So we're going to be making a short comparing Hong Kong to Bangkok, and I'm sure you will notice a very big difference. We have our two videos here, and let's just bring them into the software. First thing I need to do is I need to decide which side's going to go with what. So I'm going to move the Hong Kong video first. Automatically loads. And then I'm also going to bring in the Bangkok Palladium shopping mall. You can see the difference here. The malls in Hong Kong are like a storage closet, and there's lots of closed businesses, and pretty much everything's open in Bangkok. There's a few businesses closed, but not that many. Anyway, next thing I need to do is bring this down the size. You can see they're two different sizes with time lengths. So I need to bring this down to 42.12. So I just open it up. Very easy to do that. Just type in the values, and then they'll be exactly the same length. So there we go. Nice and easy to do that. Next step, I want to mute the sound because I'm going to have my own background sound. And that is finished as well. Now there's a lot of different things you can do. It's really up to you how you want to change things. So I have a uniform color here. I want to change it maybe to orange. I don't really like that color. It looks too plain for me, and that looks good so far. Just click OK, and it looks great. Okay, and it says from beginning. I'm just checking the basic things here, and it's okay, and we're finished. So it's going to load it up here, and this is what it will look like. There's no sound to it. We're going to add some music later. So here we go. And you can see as you're walking along Hong Kong, there's not really much to purchase. A lot of the malls in Hong Kong are just full of closed businesses. It's absolutely epic. You can see the real stark differences. I'd rather go shopping in Bangkok than Hong Kong any day. Anyway, let's continue on here. We'll pause that and stop it. Now I need to bring in some more media. I need to add some stuff to it. So I'm going to bring import files. And I want to bring in this one. I'm going to hold down Control and click. And I need one more. So we'll get that one as well. So here, and import media files. And I want to bring this one in too. Now it's important, most of the stuff you need to work in the timeline now, and I'll show you how to do that. So first I'm going to identify the video, what's Bangkok and what's Hong Kong. So here we have, this is in the wrong one, so we'll just quickly play it a little bit here, and we'll move it to where we need it to be. So it's going to start right about here. So once I've done that, I can click on it here, and I can scale it down, and then we have the title here, you can see here, and I want to make it a little bigger. Very easy to scale things, and it looks very good. Now it looks like it went over the edge a little bit, so I'll just bring it down a little bit, use my arrow keys to move it, and that's all I need to do with that. And then I'm going to just move it all the way to the end like this, and it still looks like it's too big. I'm going to scale it down a little bit more, and that's fine. There we can tell where Bangkok is. So this is the Bangkok side, and this is the Hong Kong side. So again, I'm just going to go down here. I'm going to press stop, and I'm going to hit play again, and you can see it's right there. It fits perfectly, and there we go. So again, I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to bring in Hong Kong right here. And we're going to quickly scale this down to the appropriate size, and then we're just going to move it over. One thing I can tell you about Hong Kong, I've never seen it in such a bad state. A lot of the businesses are gone now. All the Western-based restaurants are gone. There's not much left in the city to see anymore. It's actually relatively boring when I was there, but anyway, we'll just continue on. I'm just checking things, and now I'm going to need to move this up a little bit. So I just take it and move it to here, and I need to bring this back, wait for the arrows to appear, and bring it back like this. So you're learning how to make a short comparing the two. Now you can see here this is missing a little bit. I'm going to just bring it back. You can always play in the timeline. Very easy to do that. So I'm just going to bring it back here. So again, just play and wait for it. There we go. And I want to take this one here and bring it up like this. And you're always adjusting things to make sure it looks better. So maybe just a tiny bit if it can. Okay, there we go, looks good. And stop. Always fun to play with software. There you can see it. You can see the real differences here. And then I'm just going to keep playing with it until I get it almost perfect the way I like it. There we go. You can see they pop both at the same time. And then as we're walking along here, I want to also make another change here. So I'm going to go down the timeline again. I'm going to add a third item here. And this is how I feel when I'm walking around, Hong Kong stores, because a lot of them are closed and the products aren't really there that I'm looking for. Kind of boring, and I don't like walking through those malls. They used to have a lot of really good specialty malls in Hong Kong, but they've disappeared. So you can see here, that gives you my feeling of that. They need to do a lot more changing up, and Bangkok is ahead in decades of Hong Kong when it comes to shopping and tourism. Anyway, we're done that now. And now I need to add some music. I'm going to press tab on my keyboard. And we're going to find our plus button here, and we're going to add our music, and here it is here. Now it's going to ask me what I want, video more or music, and of course I'm going to want music more. Now that I've done that, I just click OK. I'll let you have a little bit of a listen, a little bit of a sample of what this is like. Hit tab again. And I'm probably going to want to add a few more things here. I'm going to go into my artwork that I have here. Now this is sound, artwork is here. And of course I'm going to want a lot of people to subscribe. So, I'm going to put the love for Bangkok here. And I'll just put that here like this. Lots of different things you can do. Love going shopping in Bangkok. And then finally, I'm going to put this one here. Very easy to scale them down. Hope everyone's doing well. Weather has been a little rainy lately. Rainy and hot. Hopefully the weather gets better soon, then I can get out and do some more walking around, let you see things that I see. But lately it's been raining a lot. And it's the gray skies right now. Maybe I'll just put that in there. It gives you an idea of the weather. Put that down the corner. And then finally, let's take a look over here. Move this up. I want to find the subscribe, which is right here. Put it in the middle here. And I'll put it over both. Now it's a little too small. And there we go. We're all finished our short. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Gave you a little bit of a sample of what I've been working on. You can learn how to make a short. This software is awesome. I enjoy using it. I've had no issues with it whatsoever. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to our community and learn technology and software. And when I travel, you get to see a really good point of view. I don't hide anything when I'm traveling. I let everybody see everything the way it is. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye-bye. Remember to subscribe and like this video.